Data science is a rapidly growing field that is transforming the way businesses operate and make decisions. With the growth of technology and digital data, it's become increasingly important for businesses to understand how to turn data into valuable insights. In this video, we'll explore what data science is, why it's important, and how it's changing the world of business. Data science is a field that combines math, computer programming, and a bit of creativity to turn data into valuable insights. Think of it as a puzzle where you have all these pieces of data, and you need to figure out how they fit together to create a picture that helps businesses make informed decisions. With the growth of technology and digital data, businesses are collecting more information than ever before. This data can include everything from customer information to sales data and beyond. And it's not just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it. That's where data science comes in. Data scientists use tools and techniques like data visualization, statistical analysis, and machine learning algorithms to analyze data and uncover insights. And they don't work alone. They partner with business leaders and stakeholders to understand what questions they need answered, and then use data science to find the answers. For example, imagine you own a pizza restaurant and you want to understand why sales have been declining. A data scientist could analyze customer data, sales data, and market trends to uncover insights that help you make informed decisions about menu offerings, marketing campaigns, and more. By using data science, you can turn a puzzle into a clear picture that helps you make decisions that drive business growth. Data science is a field that requires a range of skills and knowledge. From understanding math and programming to having domain expertise in the industry you're working in, data science is a challenging but rewarding field for those who love using data to drive value. In conclusion, data science is a dynamic and exciting field that is changing the way businesses operate and make decisions. Whether you're a business leader, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves data, understanding the basics of data science is becoming increasingly important in today's data-driven world. So there you have it. A fun and informative tour of the world of data science. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out our other resources on this topic. And if you're feeling inspired, consider developing your data science skills and start turning data into valuable insights that drive business growth. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy analyzing!